going on, GH Crypto fam? This is Glenn or GH Crypto here with another video on Shiba Inu today. So guys, Shiba Inu is about to do something, possibly. Very interesting to see what Shiba Inu is about to make in its next move. It's finally at some place where it hasn't been in a long time. So let's go ahead and get into the video. First off, to understand what we're talking about with Shiba Inu, we need to understand the market, right? Right now, we're a little bit up in the market. At the time I'm recording this video, guys, we're up about 8%, as the market as a whole. We're back to the 1 trillion, which I love to see the 1 trillion. I don't like seeing it below 1 trillion anymore. But hey, we're finally back at 1 trillion, guys. And the market in general is just looking healthy. Yeah, it's just everything's up. That's what's happening right now currently with the market in general. Now into the big news now. What is Shiba Inu doing that it hasn't done in a very long time? And it's this where we are right now, the fact that we're so close to resistance line, but look at the big picture. If we zoom out completely, so we're on the 4-hour time frame, and we just zoom out. We got to zoom out big because it's been a while. So if we zoom out all the way from, let's see, right here, all the way from October 2021, when we're up right here in this resistance line. And then guess what? We've just been down from that resistance line, touching support here and just bouncing between the two-ish, not completely, because it didn't really touch here. And now we're finally touching it. We're finally at the point where we're at the resistance line again. So this long term is looking very bullish for Shiba Inu. Now, I do want to reiterate, we are in a bear market. So there's a high chance that we could be going back down here and then eventually going back up again and then breaking through when the bull run comes again. Another scenario is we could break through, now and see a little uptrend and then go back down and consolidate somewhere down here. A lot of things can happen, it's crypto at the end of the day, right? But what's interesting is that this is a bullish indicator right here. We are going down. So if it does break this, guys, expect extreme volatility, but it needs to break with significant volume. It needs to break with a retest to make sure it's guaranteed that's going to break up and stuff. So a lot of things have to play into this. It's not like it can just break out and we're going to just see skyrocketing prices. No, we need to see confirmation, and we are in a bear market, so that confirmation is essentially less. It's not as strong as when we're in a bull market. But yeah, it's just that right now we're just hovering right below this resistance line, and we haven't been here in a long time, as I just showed you. So ever since last year in 2021 in October, and we're finally touching it again, the resistance line. So this is very good news for Shiba Inu, especially if we break it. Very good news if we break it. Now, long term, yes, I'm very bullish on Shiba Inu. I definitely think it's going to be one of the top crypto that's going to be talked about in the next bull run, to be honest. So, and just a break here, guys, and before we continue on with the video, if you guys want to support me on Patreon, guys, I have 3 different tier levels. One is just to support me in general, and the other 2 is where I actually give you guys benefits, whether that be early access, exclusive voting power, buy alerts, sell alerts, videos just for Patreon members. So if you guys want to join this, please consider joining. Link is in the description, guys, and let's go on and continue with the video. So another thing I want to show you guys, why do I put huge in the title too? It's huge because in general, this technical analysis here is huge. This is very huge. If we break this with significant volume and stuff, this is going to be very good for Shiba Inu. We're probably going to go and, I would hope, right, that we go above the 8s. That's what I can see with this chart here. Will it happen in one day once it breaks it? No, it won't. It's going to take a while. It may take months, but eventually, the price of Shiba Inu should be going over the, 4 zeros with an 8. It just takes time, right? It takes time. And okay, now we go back to Shiba Inu here, right? And we take a look at Shiba Inu here on DEX tools. What I want to show you guys, this is another reason why this is huge for Shiba Inu, is because there are whales buying Shiba Inu. Now this is a little small whale. It's nothing too big, right? 16 Ethereum. I mean, it's still a really good chunk of freaking Shiba Inu though. 12, but there are bigger. There's right here 42 Ethereum worth of Shiba Inu here. some whale bought, 38, 28. And if you just keep scrolling down, guys, you'll keep seeing those big numbers. So what that tells us is people, whales, it's probably retail investors, probably people who already are millionaires. They're investing in Shiba Inu, you know. So if whales are entering a project or crypto in general, it's because they believe in the project. Most like, you know, most they believe in the project. They wouldn't be investing if they didn't believe it. They wouldn't want to lose millions of dollars, you know. So that's good. It just means really good for the long term of Shiba Inu, especially in the next bull run. I'm sure they're accumulating. I'm sure those are even low numbers for some millionaires out there. So I'm sure they're just accumulating over time and preparing for the next bull run. Another thing I want to talk about is huge for Shiba Inu. I already talked about this in another video, but just want to recap it just very little. Is Third Floor. You know, Third Floor is a company, guys, that help design, you know, things for Marvel, things for Star Wars, and they're now going to be working with Shiba Inu to help design the metaverse for Shiba Inu. So it's just like the fact that Shiba Inu is hiring, you know, a company like this that has done big things like Marvel and Star Wars and stuff is huge. It talks really good. It talks really good stuff. It shows that, you know, Shiba Inu is serious. They want to make the metaverse very, very, very good. You know, give the good design and stuff, which is important. I think that's definitely something that should be highly considered because like there's going to be a lot of new people who are going to see Shiba Inu in the metaverse, and you know it's the first impression. First impression counts. The first impressions are like the biggest thing with anything. So that's very, very important. And guys, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter here, link is in the description also, but you can also just type in GH Crypto Official. If you guys please consider subscribing to the channel, you know, turn on that bell notification so you guys don't miss out on videos. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the content, please consider giving a like, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.